Hello students, today our topic is goldfish. For that we require origami paper, one pencil and one scissor. So let's start to make goldfish. First you have to fold in triangle shape. Give the proper crease. Then you have to fold from the middle. Give the proper crease. Now open. Can you see the middle line over here? Till middle line you have to fold both the corner till middle line, from left side and from right side, and give the proper crease. Now we have to fold this part from the half, from the middle, from both the side, from here also, like this way, and give the proper crease. Now we have to fold the triangle shape. I will just draw the line so you can see, understand. We have to fold the paper like this. Can you see that I'm drawing the line over here? So which I have draw the line, from that line I'm folding the paper this way. Give the proper crease. From here also give the proper crease. Now turn the paper. Now there are two triangles over here, 1 and 2. So we only take one triangle and we fold till this line and give the crease. Now we will fold the strips, 1, 2, 3, and we will take this up. Third strip will be taking up. Now we will turn the paper. Now we have to open this part like this way. You just see the carefully this. Can you see my hand, my fingers are going inside. Now I will press from the middle. I will press from the middle. So I have pressed from the middle, so I will get this shape. Okay, can you see there is one square is there and one triangle is there. So I am going to show you the square first. See, this is the square. Can you see the square? This is the square and this is one more triangle is over here. So one square and one triangle is are there. Now from the open part, can you see this is the open part? From the open part, with the help of scissor we have to cut till here only. 3/4 part only we have to cut. 1/4 part we have to leave. So I cut till 3/4 part. Can you see I have cut till 3/4 part. Now what I will do, I will make another triangle over here from square. And now I am folding this paper from this triangle. So can you see I got the tail of that fish. So my fish is ready. My goldfish is ready. Now what I have to do? I have to fold. Now after that I have to fold this corner inside. This folder I have to fold the inside from both the side, like this way, and from here also I have to fold this corner inside. So my goldfish is ready. Now what I have to do? I have to just draw the eyes over here. So our goldfish is ready. Now you have to give the background and you have to stick this goldfish on it. Thank you.